actually sit down. Tastes very good. Hello guys! Today I'm gonna make strawberry cheesecake. I got creamer, tapos cheesecake and strawberry. And also I have my cream cheese, blackcurrant and pearl. And I also got ice. And also I got my crystals. You cannot see them because there's a light. You can actually see that and I put it down. And I have tea. And now I put my tea. Put my creamer. Creamer. And now I put the cheesecake. Just 2 scoops. And also my strawberry powder. And now I mix with my giant spoon. Now I mix it. It's already hot already. And now I add some ice. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much? And now I add this one. I wasn't talking to someone yet. Uulan yung mga nakaan ng santay. One more time. Shake it again. But first, I'm not gonna add the strawberry into this because I have to add cream cheese. I almost dropped it, so you didn't see that. I'm putting a one inside. And now you put it like these guys. And now I'm gonna add my black pearl. Rock. Too sticky. This is the black pearl. And now I grab my spoon. There's a nahaw. I'm going to eat my spoon. Kind of sticky. And now I put on it. I add my crystal. Sorry about that. It always happens. And now I'm done. And now I add my milk tea. Oh, wow! And now there's ice and I have to take it. Oh! to ice. And now you put more ice like this. You put the lid. Now I shake for the milk. It looks like a galaxy, so yeah. That is perfect. Oh, sorry. And now let's taste it. Tastes very good. And you put and get this milk tea from the cheesecake, guys. You can make it every flavor you want, strawberry or everything you want. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Thank you guys for watching all my video. I love you. And don't forget, I will show you whatever drink I will drink at my videos. Very yummy.